Alright, that's what the conduit looks like on the first step. Got a little offset there. What's up, buddy?
How y'all guys doing?
Trying to get it done.
I hear you.
Is that for the... And I went ahead and just put a couple tacks there, not really penetrating deep into the EMT. Now there's probably a better way to do that with straps, but I think these tack welds will look the best. I'll probably put one on the bottom, just in the middle, and then now Danny's got another piece of conduit over there. We're going to put a coupling on that, put it over here, and then that's where our liquid tight is going to go into. And I think you paint that red, primer red. I think it looks pretty good. My saddle didn't turn out too bad, but I had to put a little bit of pop it on there. Just it was a little off here. It was higher on that side than it was on this side, so I just had to clamp it on there. I just squeezed it on there, and that was good. I think that's about it. I'm glad I didn't use rigid because I thought about doing that. So then that'll come just straight up this leading edge of the open and close, and we'll probably go rigid up to liquid tight. I might go liquid tight from there on up, but we'll see. I like the idea of the rigid because it'd just be solid all the way up there. I'd probably put a tack weld on it, and that's pretty much about it. So we're at right now, and then I'll put a little kicker on this. I'll put a little kicker on this one to overcome what I did over here, just like this, because this outside of the frame is a little bit higher. Anyway.